Hello everybody, welcome to Deep Dive Tech. Today we are going to go over the most amazing problem-solving gadgets you will need. Make sure you watch until the end. Kindly subscribe to the channel and click on the bell button. Pet fur, plus lint remover brush. Problem, your sofa looks like a dog bed. Solution, a pet hair collector that's the size of a lint roller, without the sticky sheets. Simply glide the handheld wand, because it's that magical, over a pillow, chair cushion, or car seat, or piece of clothing while the soft bristles do the dirty work. When you're done, simply remove the base to dispose of trapped hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future amazing tech videos.